Today I'm checking out this fold-out kid sofa that was sent to me at no cost so I could do this review. Let's get this thing out of the box, get it all expanded out, and check it out. So when you get this thing out of the box, this is what it's going to look like. It's all bundled up because it is made of foam and it's squished down, vacuum sealed real nice and tight. So you are going to want to open this thing up when you get it and cut this thing open per the instructions. It does come with this little cool like letter opener thing, so we can pop that thing open. But it does come with this instructions too. And it says, please basically unbox it and give it up to 5 days to, really expand all the way it needs to be. Let's see how fast it expands just after I open it. So we got this little cutter it comes with. It should be able to cut these bands, and it does. It's a razor blade in there, so be careful. So now it's just about getting the plastic off, which you don't even need this to do that, really. You can come in here, tear it open. All right, so now that I got it out of there, it's going to start expanding. I'm going to give this some room to expand a little bit, and then we're going to get a better video of it and check it out. All right, so here it is, all, expanded out and everything. It's been sitting for, a while, a few days now. All the foam and everything's expanded well. So when it's like this is like a chair. So, your child can sit in this. It's comfortable, read, do whatever. But hey, they want to lay down and read or lay down and play a game, do whatever they want to do. Well, then you just fold it out and it turns into kind of like a lay down mat or bed almost. Let me do that. Now check it out. You got a lounger here. Of course, this is small. It's meant for a child. But we have a 4-year-old nephew that we frequently watch, and I know he's gonna love this. Very cool, very comfortable too. Again, it's foam, memory foam, very soft. I mean, a child could pass out in this thing and fall asleep in this thing. Very cool product. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.